Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, SCALP naval missiles as a stopgap solution. The Indian Navy is currently grappling with a missile procurement challenge, prompting it to consider the induction of the SCALP naval missile system as a temporary solution. Developed by MBDA system, the SCALP naval missile is a long-range sea-launched surface attack standoff cruise missile that has been successfully deployed by the French Navy on its Scorpion-class submarine. However, this temporary measure may be necessary because India's indigenous cruise missile program is still several years away from production. Next, SkyGuardian drones to be acquired by two advanced payloads. The Indian Army and Indian Air Force are set to procure 16 MQ-9B SkyGuardian remotely piloted aircraft systems, which will come equipped with electronic warfare and airborne early warning sensor payloads. These high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicles will be stationed in North India to monitor the line of control and line of actual control with both China and Pakistan. Next, India and US to co-produce Armoured Vehicle. India and US will co-produce an infantry combat vehicle as part of defense industrial cooperation, U.S. Defense Minister Lloyd Austin said on Friday. He said this while speaking on a small group of journalists after 2+2 defense and foreign ministerial dialogue in Delhi. Next, India and Russia eagerly await India sharing information on Chandrayaan 3. Union Minister Jitendra Singh on Friday credited the success of Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1 mission to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's policy of unlocking the space sector through public-private partnership and said even the US and Russia eagerly await for India to share information on these projects. Next, B-21 Raider flying wing bomber takes first flight. The U.S. Air Force B-21 Raider bomb shaped like a flying wing took its first flight on Friday. The next step is rolling out a new fleet of long-range nuclear-capable stealth bombers built by Northrop Grumman, according to Reuters witness. Next, 168 border villages to be linked with road. Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday said the center has prioritized the task of creating the best facilities in border villages by introducing the concept of vibrant villages so that their population is not just sustained but also increased. Next, more offering of RPAS to India. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, a renowned aerospace and defense technology company, is on the verge of securing substantial orders from India for the acquisition of 31 of its MQ-9B SkyGuardian and SeaGuardian high-altitude, long-endurance class unmanned aerial vehicles. The company is also keen to foster further collaboration on newer remotely piloted aircraft, that is RPA, systems and work closely with the Indian Armed Forces. Next, timely delivery of Hermes 900 UAVs to India. The ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas has raised concern worldwide, but officials have assured that it will not affect the supplies of unmanned aerial vehicles ordered by Indian Armed Forces, nor will it impact ongoing projects to upgrade older Israeli origin equipment. Next, successful operation using night vision drone to combat trans-border crime. In a significant move to combat trans-border crime, the Border Security Force troops of North Bengal Frontier executed a unique operation utilizing a night vision drone camera. The operation proved successful as troops managed to rescue 3 cattle from the clutches of smugglers along the Indo-Bangladesh border, according to a statement from the BSF. Next. ICGS Sangram decommissioned after 26 years of service. ICGS Sangram, one of the oldest advanced offshore patrol vessels of the Indian Coast Guard, was decommissioned on Wednesday after 26 years of service. The ship, commanded by DIG Vijay Singh, was decommissioned at a sunset ceremony held at Mole Berth, Mormugao Port Authority, Goa. Thank you.